Son, can you help me, son? My washing machine's pissing out water and I don't know what to do.
Have you tried phoning the plumber, Mrs. McGovern?
Oh, son, I lost his number back in 1989. I don't have his number. Oh, here's our Joe. He'll help. Joe, come here, son.
What is it, Gran? Try to learn my juggling. What do you want?
Oh, Joe, it's my washing machine, son. It's pissing out water and I can't get my washing done and I don't know what to do.
Oh, Gran, I've got face paint on. I can't go near it. I'll wipe it off. I'm busy. Oh, here's Sheila. She's a lesbian. She'll have a spanner. Sheila!
Oh, I never thought of her, Sheila. She's always got a toolbox. So, yeah, Sheila, can you help me? My washing machine's pissing out water and I can't get a washing done.
Is that your washing machine broke again, Gran? Just as well I've got my toolbox into it. Here, get a wee spanner out the way.
Oh no, Sheila, as I was breaking down, I'll need to get a new one. I just don't have the money to know, but throw your spanner in there, hen, and see what you can do.
Oh, I feel something.
What?
Hold on. Oh,
What is it, hen? I can't see.
I'm not sure you want to see this, Gran. I don't know if it's for your eyes.
I see, Sheila. I want to see it. Let me see it. I need to see it, Sheila. Show me.
What a fun, Gran. It's unheard of. It's not been seen for months. You've got it.
What is that?
Is that what I think it is? Sheila.
Aye, Gran. It was a can of the real iron brew. 38% sugar. Rhea?
A 38% can? The real one? I've got it. Is that what you said?
Aye, Gran. You've got it. And keep it. It'll be worth money one day.
Always been Sheila. You've made an old woman very happy. Cheers.